Tell mommy what we have here.
Mommy, what we have here?
No, you tell mommy. What is this, Tristan?
And my bulldozer. Look at this is steel.
Is it a Caterpillar Bulldozer?
Yeah, I think it has a grade.
It has a grade on the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show us what the buttons do?
Yeah. See that one works with max power.
Okay. Now what else does it do? It sings? You have a dance party with it? Is it a dance party? What else does it do?
Back it up.
It backs up.
Yeah.
Can you make it do something else? Oh, it lifts up the blade. And it puts it down. Alright, you ready to open it and see what it does?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open this side right here.
Oh, yeah.
Hang on. Pull this tape off. Open here. Alright. Ready to pull it out? Take the stuff. You open in the bottom. Yay! Alright. We're gonna clean up this mess. You want a bulldozer to do it? You gonna run it in today? Oh no! Oh no!
Here we go.
Okay, now show everyone what the bulldozer's doing. Let's show everyone what the bulldozer's doing, okay?
Let's go now.
Wow.
Three.
It lifts up. You're gonna put blocks on it now?
It's person.
Oh. Do you like the bulldozer? Yay! Tristan likes it.